The Michigan Supreme Court heard arguments today that will determine whether guns are allowed on school campuses around our state.
School districts argued that they want to keep guns away from their students, while gun supporters said that they have the right to carry weapons at schools.
24-Hour News 8's Barton Dieters was at court today listening to the arguments and talking to those on both sides of the debate.
While there are lots of arguments about the technicalities of law here, the real question came down to a practical one. What are schools supposed to do when someone with a gun approaches a building? We heard from both sides on that. While many of the arguments were over the finer points of the law and whether both sides were in compliance with the wishes of the elected legislature, a more basic question was on everyone's mind.
If I'm a principal of a school or a teacher at a school and this court basically rules in your favor, I just want to understand what is it that the schools are going to now do.
For many schools, the mere presence of a gun, whether spotted by a student, staff member, or a parent, leads to a school lockdown.
We are charged with keeping that environment safe, and we know very clearly the federal guidelines say that the presence of the gun in school is an emergency.
Gun advocates say this is unnecessary and that people with guns around schools actually make things safer.
This is an overreaction by school districts.
What school administrator sitting in his office watches someone come up the walkway with a gun? What is he supposed to do? You just wait to see how it all works out.
The attorney for the schools said just like the state Supreme Court can use its authority to ban guns in the courthouse, schools have the right to keep their buildings free from guns. Gun advocates propose that the school's procedures for anyone coming on school property should apply to those carrying a gun into a school.
Meet with the receptionist. The receptionist can ask, as they do in these other school districts, whether or not they're licensed to carry a concealed pistol.
How could we ever suppose to know the intent of anyone approaching the doorway of our schools?
This isn't new. It's not untested. It's been happening for years and years and years and years, and I don't know a single open carrier that has ever caused a problem on the school.
But if they don't know who somebody is?
Address me, talk to me. Come up to me, ask me who I am, what my business is there.
It's likely to be this summer before any decision is made, if any decision is made at all. The court just could let the previous ruling stand. We'll have more on that here and online at woodtv.com. In Lansing, Barton Dieters, 24-Hour News 8.